today is so tired.
Me too. Because we have a lot of work today.
Hey, look at that girl. It looks like we know her.
Hey guys!
Oh my god, Siti, we miss you so much.
Why didn't you tell us that you want to go back now?
Because I want to surprise you.
Oh my god, you are very beautiful today. Let's talk with us there.
Do you know what I found in Japan?
What is that?
Yes, let me know.
Do you have boyfriend in Japan?
No, guys. Actually, I want to talk a lot, but it's already late. How about we talk tomorrow?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Have a good rest.
See you tomorrow, Siti.
Okay, bye, girl.
Hello, Siti.
Hi, Kir. What's up?
Will we meet Sally and Salsia?
Sure. Tell me where.
The nearest cafe from there, maybe?
Alright. See you, girl.
See you.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Siti. Come here.
Have you ordered food?
Not yet.
Let's order now, guys.
Do you want to order?
Do you know, in Japan, if you want to eat, you don't have to go to a restaurant or cafe. You just to insert a coin and press the button.
Wow, seriously?
Yes, of course.
Wow, Japanese technology is very advanced.
What's the name of the tool?
Vending machine.
Oh, I know a little about that technology.
How does the machine work?
It works if we insert a coin and then choose food or drink we will buy. But vending machine can accept any payment.
Wow. Wow, so interesting. Have you tried it, Siti?
Yes, guys, it's really true. That's what I like about Japanese technology very much.
By the way, this machine is made for 23 people, right?
Yes,
Yes.
that's true.
How much can this machine sell every year?
Wait, I will search that. Hybrid can be as much as 60 million US dollars.
Wow, it's really amazing. This Japanese technology can make a lot of money.
Yes, I'm really interested in going to Japan right away.
Yes, Siti. When will you take us to Japan?
If you have a lot of time and enough money, okay?
Okay, we will just have to wait.
What are the advantages of using vending machine, guys?
Vending machines are very useful for productive people. So there is so many vending machine in Japan because it is make me really like vending machine in Japan. So because it is very useful for me, especially.
I'm not agree. I think vending machine make a restaurant, market, empathy customer. I don't like vending machine.
I agree with you, Shakira. It makes human labor will not need it again, maybe?
Hello, my name is Siti Hasana.
My name is Shakira Saufa.
And my name is Salitri Amanda.
My name is Alsyahana.
And we are from Group 1.
Malik, ya.
Salitri Amanda.
Saya Alsyahana. Will not need it, maybe again.
Salah, kebalik.
Gimana?
Wow.
Vending machine. Machine.